Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you have a non-destructive copy. Use the object selection, lasso, or pen tool to roughly trace the object you want removed. Be precise at edges where hair or shadows meet the background. Once selected, refine the selection with Select Modify Feather or Select Refine Edge to smooth transitions. This initial isolation makes everything that follows cleaner and avoids accidental deletions of important pixels. Now remove the selected object. Press Delete with Content-Aware Fill enabled, or go to Edit Fill and choose Content-Aware to let Photopea generate a fill. If the automatic fill looks off, switch to Clone Stamp or Healing Brush to sample nearby pixels and paint over imperfections, matching texture and lighting. Work in small sections and frequently use Undo. You want to preserve surrounding detail. Once done, use Blur or Smudge subtly to blend seam so the patch reads naturally in its context. Finish by refining color and contrast so the filled area matches the rest of the image. Use Image Adjustments levels or curves and apply a light Gaussian blur if edges look too sharp. Once satisfied, merge visible layers or save a PSD to keep layers. Then export via File Export as and choose PNG or JPG. If something looks wrong later, reopen the PSD and use the duplicated layer to reapply Content-Aware or cloning. This saves time versus starting over entirely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.